Happiest of Thursdays, folks. It is Nicolasa, and in front of you I have two of my favorite things. I have my Starbucks caramel macchiato, and I also have my package from Villabeautifful. I did cover my address, of course. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous box. I just got it today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. For those of you who have not gotten your subscription box, or I can't even say subscription, your box, please don't watch, because I don't know what is the mystery item or I don't know. So I unbox it and I might spoil something for you, okay? This is the August 2021 box. I did purchase this in July. Purchased it August 20th. It is now September 2nd, and I just got it today. So I have unfortunately seen some of the things that are inside because some people have shared. It's not a big deal, but I just kind of want to make sure you're not, cheated. So I'm going to kind of change the camera to the box so that you can see what's inside. So again, Villabeautifful. If you are not familiar with this company, this is something that you can, there's the website, you can get as you go, meaning you don't have to subscribe to it, which is wonderful. I don't like to be locked into subscriptions. I always forget to cancel, and then sometimes I just don't want that particular box for the month. So that's why I like the flexibility of Villabeautifful. Owner's name is Tiffany, and I think I spent time before letting you guys know that this is the Cadillac planner decorations, meaning they are like top notch. So usually with your box or your order, you get a card that kind of shows you or tells you what's inside the box. I like to keep these as decoration. I take them, cut them down, maybe punch holes in them and put them into my planner. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one. This one is called Aesthetic, and I really, really love it because I feel like it is so neutral yet just beautiful. So here it's kind of wrapped in. I missed the last one, guys, because I had just become a Villa Beauty. Oh, that's nice. I had just become a Villa Beauty at that time, so I missed the last kit last year. Not this year, folks, not this year. Okay, the very first thing I have is a little mini planner, and I think, oh my gosh, this is so cute, because I think that I could use this for my son's schooling. I do homeschool him, and look at that. I think it's for stickers though. So if you get inside here, it's got little divots in the top and bottom so that your elastics stay put. What a nice touch. The Villabeautifful logo in the corner. And then on the interior, I think might be pocket size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rings. And I'm going to venture out and say that those are 20 millimeter rings, but I'm not sure. In fact, I do have my, my ruler here, and it measures, oh, hold on. I think it goes by centimeters. So excuse me for 1 second. This is 1.5 centimeters. So again, it's just about 2, to be honest with you. So 2 centimeters actually equal 20 millimeter rings. Okay, so I was right on the money. If you flip through here, let's see what this is. Ooh, look at that. It's a pen tracker. Okay, a lot of times people don't know what the pens are, and they kind of like, put posts out and say, what is this pen? This is a really good idea so that you no longer have to kind of go through that. And at the back, there's a slip pocket folder that you can put things into. OMG, I think this is awesome. And at the very back, it's going to be your sticker pages that you can put your stickers here that you use most often. And wow, I think that is awesome. This is really pretty. The anniversary kit is a little bit more expensive than the normal kit. Not a little bit, a lot. But I really think that it's worth every single penny. I have not gotten anything from Villabeautifful that I felt like I wasted my money on, or that I didn't get the value for. Okay. Then you have a 2 dangly charm set. I absolutely love these. I always use the charm set in my planner. And what I do, guys, is I show you what I have, and then I come back with my planner decorated with the charms. One of the charms just fell out, but it has like a little U here, or I'm not sure what that is. Maybe it's a, I don't know. I'm not even gonna speculate. It's black and white, and you've got like the rose design with your black hardware here, and then the color seems to be black and white and just with a touch of neutral colors intertwined. Very beautiful for Villabeautifful. This is a magnetic page finder or page holder. I'm going to open that up. And I like these too because they seem to be very sturdy, like the Naya Potpourri ones. If you get any of these from like Hobby Lobby or something like that, let it be known they're not gonna hold anything. And it's got the VB logo on it. Do I have it upside down? Okay, so it goes like that. And you have it on one side and the other side. Okay, so I have a page finder. I have my charms. Let me get those out because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a picture or show you what we have all together, okay? All right, the next item. Whew, guys, this is a big kit. I mean, I guess I should expect this because it is the anniversary kit. By the way, more of the anniversary kits are coming out. So if you missed it, you have time to get it, I think, coming up, okay? You might want to check the Facebook group, Villabeautifful. If you're not a part of that, you need to be a part of that immediately. Let me speed this up because I know that I'm not going to be able to go through everything with you guys in detail. So I'm not going to open this in detail. What I will say about this pouch is that I normally cut this down too, and I make a dashboard out of this. I let nothing go to waste. In fact, some of these pages here, these card stocks, I actually take these and cut them down as well, and I use them for decoration inside of my planner. Again, when I do a flip through of my planner, I'll show you how I've taken the materials and used them. The only thing I throw out from my kits is gonna be this stuff. I usually keep everything else that I can, I'm telling you. All right, let's get in here. Let's hurry because we don't want to run out of time, and I don't want to keep you forever, okay? The mystery item is still in there, so you have time to get out of here at the end if you don't want to see it, okay? All right, here we go. I have, looks like journaling cards. Guys, this kit is massive, and so I really don't think I'm going to be able to spend any amount of time on anything, just because it's massive, which is good, by the way. So this one, you hear that? That's my new grandson. Love my pretty pens. These are like, they're very thick. I think they serve as, like I said, journaling cards or, you know, just like things to put in your planner. This agenda belongs to Hustle and Grind. I love it. Progress, not perfection. 1, 2, 3. This lady that I love, she was on another kit, or half the face was on another one of these kits. These are journaling cards, so I'm just gonna kind of flip through them fast. Look at that, the neutral color with the black and white. OMG, OMG. You have a lot of these. You have a lot. Beauty. I'm just kind of tabbing through. Here it is. Simplicity is key. So that's what you have on your charm over there, that same. And then here are some books. This is a little bit of a bigger journal card. I like this because for those of you who carry A5 or B6 or something like that, this will be perfect for those sizes. So it's something for everyone. Here you have a black and white flower. This says trust the process, create, design, and plan. Dreams come true. And last but not least, look at that. Beautiful. Now, mind you, this right here, I'm not going to get rid of. I'm going to use this as backdrop to something that I put in my planner. Look at all that you get. I mean, this kit is kind of expensive, but believe me, I would not want it any other way. This is the only thing that's going in the garbage. We do have sticky notes, okay? So the sticky notes have the washi, the bow, and the pen, which in essence summarizes Villabeautifful in my mind. Those are like the keys to being Villabeautifful. Here's the washi. I am not going to take this out. I know some people take this out and show you, but I'm not, because I don't really want to get into that. Black and white, and then the other one has that neutrally type color with it. I'm gonna put that right there. Next thing we have is gonna be your sticker book with your stickers on the front page here that you use most often. And just like the Mysterious Kit, these are accented in the black. You know, like instead of it being like gold or silver foil, it's actually the black foil. And it's really not foil, but whatever. You guys get what I'm trying to say, okay? Let's see what we have inside here, because this is important. The stickers are important. So here we have our sticker page, and that's what I mean. You see the black on there? Happy anniversary. Look at that anniversary kit. Yes. I'm just gonna flip through quickly. Ooh. I mean, she really brought it this month. She did. Thank you, Tiffany. And all of the folks, sorry, that helped Tiffany be great. All right, there you go. Just kind of flipping through. I use these for my journal. I absolutely love these for my journal, guys. I rely on these because, like, if I don't have these, I guess I act like I can't write the date, okay? So let's put this back. All right, sticker book. Again, only thing going in the garbage is this. All right, you guys, we're cranking. We're at 11 minutes. All right, right here is going to be your transparent page flags along with your washi card in the back. OMG, this kit is just gorgeous. What's here? Oh my gosh, look at this. You have a VB acrylic pen stand. Yes. I did see this kit, but guess what? I forgot all the stuff that was inside. I'm so like busy. Okay, so this looks like you have to put this thing together, and it comes with like instructions of what to do. So that will be a later thing, okay? And we've got ourselves a pen kit, guys. I can't wait to put that thing together. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm so happy I bought this kit. I'm so happy. Believe me, I was like ready when it dropped, okay? Look at this. You have 3 pens this month. 3, folks. I love that Tiffany is so generous with us. 3 pens this month, okay? They're drop dead gorgeous. The one is, ooh, she beautiful. She beautiful. She the black right there. Then you have like a cocoa brown. And then you have like a neutral nude. All right, those have colors for sure, and I'm probably pronouncing them or naming them incorrectly, so ignore me. Let me see on my what do you call this thing, the thing that comes with it to tell you what you have. I'm gonna see if I could actually get the name for you of those pens. Okay, let's see what we've got. So the name of the pen is going to be, just one second. It's Aesthetic. It's going to be the one that is matte black. So this one is called the Aesthetic. The nude beige or tan is called Flawless. And yes, she is flawless. And this one, which is the taupe, is called Avant Garde. Garde or Guard. Okay? FYI. And because now you have a place to document the names, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I document the anniversary pen names in there as soon as I can, okay? Let's get finished with this. Ooh, I've got extra VB stickers, and I'm just telling you, just the packaging alone has got me feeling some type of way. I'm really serious, like the packaging alone has got me feeling some type of way. This is awesome. I don't even want to touch it. I don't want to use them. I will use them, but I don't want to. All right. Last but not least, folks, I did go ahead, because this is an anniversary kit, I did go ahead and order the paper. I normally do not, but that's because when I print the paper myself, you know, you get the ability to do the paper, and I don't really like shiny paper, okay? So I typically don't buy it, but I did because it's the anniversary kit. So here's your first piece of paper, your second, your third. You usually get 3 pieces of cardstock and then some vellum. Here is the 4th piece of cardstock, and then of course here's my vellum that is just gorgeous. Abstract, black and white, simple. Let's get ready for celebrating the anniversary. All right, you guys, if you've stuck with me throughout all this time, I appreciate you. You might want to exit out, but before you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm actually about to reveal the mystery item. I hope it wasn't that pen stand, guys, because I already blew it. But if it's not that pen stand, then it must be this. This is, let's see what we have inside. Ooh. Look at this. Oh my. And it's white. You guys, I usually, and then on the pole, we have white, and we also have the Villabeautifful logo. It's something in here. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, look at that. What is in here? Oh my. This is going to be a VB tool kit. You have a ruler, an acrylic washi card, you have travel scissors, a mechanical pencil, correction tape, double adhesive, and tweezers. Are you serious? Are you serious? They took it to a whole nother level for this kit. Whole nother level. So I really, I feel as though this kit is amazing. And I also feel as though I got my money worth on this one. Everyone, but in particular this one, because it is a lot more expensive than the regular kit. You guys, I'm gonna give you a little glimpse of what is on my table. And this, my friend, is the anniversary kit, the August 2021 Villabeautifful anniversary kit in all of its glory. Hope I'm getting that on camera nice for you. All right, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. I'll be back with this beauty put into one of my planners, but it won't be until October when my custom planner comes from Vanderspec. You guys have a great night.